Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to bookmark. So as example we have these documents and I will create for the new page by pressing enter button like this. Now I will bookmark at this key feature. You can sort or select, go to insert and then click on bookmark. So in here I will add with the name key underscore features. Click it, and the second I will add again bookmark into this word. You can click again bookmark, and you can set the names like into evolution. Click it. Now, if you click again bookmark and you want to go into key feature, you can select the key features, and then you can click go to be moved into the key feature. I will click again evolution and will be moved into this evolution word. Go to like this. So with this bookmark, you can move easily in the bookmark name. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to bookmark. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.